Hello.
How are you? It's Laura and Phil with Outer Banks Olive Oil. We are here tonight as your gurus for breakfast.
Absolutely.
I don't know, not really, but I know everyone is working really hard to be healthy. It's the start of the year. So we thought we'd kick it off with some breakfast, even though we're drinking wine, but that's okay. Hopefully you're drinking wine.
Some of the best breakfasts I've ever had.
Yeah.
Had some wine.
So I know that sometimes it's difficult to come up with healthy different options. So we've got two options tonight. We're going to be making a olive oil granola with coconuts and cherries, and my husband got every kind of dried fruit possible. So I'm just going to use them all.
I was sent with a list and I came home with everything. So.
And then we're also making
an avocado toast with poached eggs. So
and then for the not so healthy people, if you want to add bacon, Phil will be your go-to.
Highly recommend adding the bacon.
So thank you for joining us. If you are enjoying what you're seeing, please feel free to share this, like our videos, share them with your friends, and comment below. So we hope that you enjoy tonight. So we're going to start with the olive oil and granola, which I've actually already made, and then I'm going to remake it for you guys so it smells absolutely delicious. And it is super duper easy. That's like one of the things that we really like to have is like easy things that you can make that you can use our olive oils with. So we're going to start with you've got some rolled oats, if I can even say that, rolled oats. So I'm going to hack this recipe just for ease, and we're going to do about 3 cups here. And Phil's getting our water boiling for our next recipe just so it's ready to go.
That's a hard job.
Yeah. So you want to have a pan and get some parchment paper. And for this dish, we're going to use our blood orange olive oil. So now you could substitute it with many different ones. Lime might be good as well. Any of the fruitier ones. We also have mandarin on the website. So there's lots of different options, but we're going to use blood orange tonight. So, and then we've got our 3 cups of the rolled oats. I'm going to add some cashews, but you could add any kind of nut there. And then I've also got, like I said, all the dried fruit. So we've got craisins and blueberries and cherries. I mean, you could literally pick one. He had several other raisins and dates and all sorts of.
She put all of them on there. I didn't know I was supposed to pick one.
I meant pick one, but you know, I sent my husband to the grocery store. So I'm gonna add these. Can you grab me a spoon?
Yes.
And then I've also got some unsweetened coconut as well. So we're just gonna mix this all together.
Great job.
I know, super good. So this is, just really, this is so easy. So then the next thing I'm gonna do actually, which is going to just do this. You could do this over a pan, or you could just do it in your microwave, like I'm going to do. So I'm gonna do about 1/4 cup of honey. I'm just gonna heat it up in the microwave. So you don't want it to be like just a little at a time. Yeah, basically we're just softening and that's it. So.
About 25 seconds?
Yeah, I did 45 earlier. That was way too long, so don't do that long. Don't do that long. Then I'm gonna mix a little bit of vanilla extract in with this, and also our blood orange olive oil. And we're gonna kind of blend, just whisk that together really easily. Let me see, this might be fun. There we go. So you don't even need that long, really. So I'm gonna add my blood orange. So I don't know.
How much?
So I'm halving this recipe, so I'm gonna say 1/4 cup. And if anybody's ever seen me cook on these videos, I never measure anything. I mean, you're doing about the same amount of honey as you're doing olive oil.
Yeah, equal parts. Then.
Yeah, equal parts.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of the vanilla extract.
You're not gonna measure that?
No.
Okay, but a 1/2 teaspoon.
1/2 teaspoon. That's for food having.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna like blend this together. And we're softening that honey. All right, so now that we've got everything mixed, we're going to just spread it out on our pan. Make it look all pretty and even, so everyone can see. Oh look, my video is doing perfect.
I know.
Okay.
Like the guy that set up the shot and what he was doing.
He did. I'm like, I've got some good technology people going around. So then I'm just gonna pour this on, and then we're gonna blend it together. And then you can always add more, get it really going. Then you're gonna put it at 325 in the oven for and check on it like every 10 minutes. So I just did a little pan. And so you want it to get a little, you want to get it golden.
We'll get this one out of your way.
Yeah, so there we go. So here we go. So here was our finished product. Just smells so fragrant. And then you can just pop it in an airtight container. And then it will stay for about 3 weeks. So you've got really, really kind of easy go-to breakfast there.
So you could make this at night while you're drinking your wine.
You
and
could.
have it ready for breakfast.
And we're drinking the A to Z Pinot Noir. Because, I mean, I figured we had to go light on the wine because it's breakfast. We could have done mimosas, but, you know, it is what it is.
So let's give that a little taste.
Yeah, let's have a little taste. So, because I love to eat on camera. It's like my favorite thing to do.
Right?
That's hot, so be careful.
Okay.
Oh, it's really good.
Well, you do your makeup, right? So that you can eat on camera?
It's really, really good. So, cool it, stick it in an airtight container,
Very good.
and then you can just keep it for like 3 weeks. So,
If
if you comment breakfast on the comments, we will send you a copy of the recipes from today. So,
Absolutely.
like, share, comment, please. So, what's next? We're gonna start our avocado. This is one of our favorite go-to breakfasts.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna let Phil
We've done some dry rehearsals of this and loved it. I do recommend adding the meat. It is killer with the meat. Add a little bacon. You can also add some prosciutto as well, or you can stick with the vegetarian option with just the poached egg.
So we've got our water boiling back here, almost.
We're getting there.
It's getting there. So you're gonna need to have your water boiling. You're gonna need to have eggs. We've got some really good bread. Whatever kind you like, you know. I'm gonna stick those in the.
Here we go. Get some whole grain.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick those in the toaster oven.
All right. Beautiful. And then we'll get our avocado going. There you go. Right, you're usually the avocado person, so.
Yeah, I was like, I left Phil to cut the avocado on camera. I was kind of mean about that, actually. So probably all you're gonna need is just scoop out about half the avocado. I know if anybody has some great tips on how to cut an avocado, look, Phil actually did a really good job. Yeah, mine I do it. It's terrible. So if you've got some great tips, share them below for everyone. So we're just gonna scoop out into our bowl. And so this one I actually love to add you can add lemon juice. I love to add the lemon oil. It is so bright and refreshing and just tasty. It's just tasty. So we're just gonna add that to the avocado, and we're gonna, make a little mix.
All right. While you're doing that, I'm gonna poach 2 eggs. And if you've never poached an egg before, super easy. Get your water boiling, and then you're just going to crack your egg, pop that into a little bowl so that you can get some of the extra stringiness out. So you're going to kind of let some of that extra stringiness run through. Turn off the boil and immediately pop the eggs.
They can't hear you when your probably back is to them.
Oh, I'm sure they can hear me. There we go. Pop those in there and cover for 4 minutes.
3 to 5, I think the recipe says. So it's really, really easy. If you've never poached an egg, it's actually super duper easy. But you could also just, if you don't like your egg runny at all, just fry it hard in the pan. It will be the exact same way. So we've got our bread toasting. We've done our little avocado mixed with the olive oil, added a little salt and pepper to it as well. And then I'm not going, calls for making a glaze out of the balsamic. I'm not going to do that because our balsamics are so, they're naturally thicker than regular kind of grocery store brands. So, so I think they're kind of thick enough already, but
Absolutely.
with this recipe, we're using the Neapolitan herb. It'll give it a much more herbaceous taste. You could also use the traditional if you don't want to add any additional flavor. The lemon oil makes it light and really bright and pretty. So I didn't pull out any of the greens, but you're definitely going to need those.
Oh.
So you want to have some greens. You've got your toast toasting. And then we're going to spread the avocado mix on there, top it with the spinach or arugula or whatever greens mix that you like. And then we're going to drizzle some of the balsamic on top. So remember, go ahead and comment below breakfast and we'll send you copies of the recipes that we're doing today, which was the granola with all of the different dried fruits and the cashews. That's featuring our blood orange olive oil. And then also we've got our avocado toast. We're poaching the egg, but remember, you could do it, fry it hard. Just do your egg however you like it.
Yeah.
And then if you're like Phil, you could add your bacon.
Add bacon, prosciutto, any sort of meats that you like on there.
And then he likes to top it with some,
Got a little crushed red pepper that I've got here as well that I'm going to top it with, give it a little kick.
give it a little kick.
you
So if
could
you
go
want to
with
kick it up a little bit.
Basmati olive oil as well is a great way to kick it up and get a little spice on it as well. If you don't have any of the crushed red pepper, that's a great way to do it as well. So toast should be about ready to go. We've got just another minute or two on the eggs and we're good. We're going to be doing these cooking things every Tuesday at 7 p.m. going forward here. So you can join us every Tuesday and we'll have different stuff. This week was breakfast.
Yeah, all this whole month we're going to be featuring mostly vegetarian type of dishes. You figure everyone's trying to get healthy. So vegetarian dishes, sometimes we'll throw in a little meat kit, but
Somebody might sneak in some meat.
someone wants to
into
sneak
there.
in some meat. So we're just going to be, okay, so we've got our toast, so we're going to go ahead and
There you go.
here.
Just spread that
Just
on.
spread this on. Remember, I did a little bit of lemon oil and I did a little bit of salt and pepper. So, no, check it out.
Yep. All right.
And we should top it with some little bit of greens, whatever you like. You could do sprouts, I mean, whatever kind of green that you like. And then we will also, then once Phil pulls out the egg, we'll top it with the egg. And the Neapolitan herb will make it so beautiful. We'll add a little bit of, I'm going to do a little salt and pepper. There.
So just grab it with a slotted spoon, pull it out. They're slippery little suckers. There we go. That's coming. Okay.
All right. So
Here we
a
go.
little poached egg, drop it right up on top there.
Come on. Get on there. Come on now. Oh, he fell off. No.
Okay.
Okay.
This one was a little,
He was a runner.
here's that on top. Okay. So then I'm going to top it with a little bit, or do you want to put your bacon on your one?
So you need some bacon. Always need bacon. So you just throw a little bacon on there.
There. Do you want to do?
Yep.
Oh, do you want to do red pepper? Like,
Yep. We'll do a little red pepper flakes on there as well. Just a little. There you go.
there you go.
Take some red pepper flakes. Pop those in there. Beautiful.
You can put some on mine too,
I
to make
know
it pretty.
you liked it last last time I did mine.
Alrighty.
Awesome.
So this is our entire breakfast for today. Next time we're going to have lunch for you next Tuesday. So please join us. And I think that's it. So we are Laura and Phil. We're so glad that you joined us for our cooking demo tonight. And
all right.
That's it.
Cheers.
Go back and have a glass of wine with your breakfast.
Bye-bye.